using the gang sheet builder on Fontsy, and you imported your design, and then you go to size it and you get some kind of a warning. That means that your file is too low of a resolution and you need to increase that. So if you don't have a larger file, the easiest way to fix this problem is to go over to Canva and open up a blank design and then import that same exact file to Canva. So when you import the file to Canva, so in this case, I'm using this Fontsy VIP logo that, as you can see here, is 276 KB. So if I bring that into Canva and then open it up, it does still look fine. But what you can do is you can resize this design here. Still looking pretty good. And then when you go to say share and download the file, instead of doing it at the 1:1 size, enlarge it so it's two times the size. So now you see how it's 4,000 pixels. The other thing that you probably want to do is change it to a transparent background so that you don't get a white background, and then click download. Okay, then what you'll want to do is go back over to the uploader, delete the file that you had there by just clicking remove, and then click upload and re-upload the one that you just increased the size for from Canva. So see how now it's 2.9 megs? That is a much larger file that is going to have a better resolution. So when I'm going to bring this one into the uploader, you're going to see that now I can increase it to the entire size of this gang sheet, and I will not get a warning. Okay, so that's how you have that. So that's all you will need to do. Now, one thing I do just want to point out before I wrap this up is if I use the file that was too small, it is not going to prevent me from sending this file to the printer. However, I have this warning here. That's one warning. Then when I click confirm, it's going to give me another warning. See here how it says graphic resolution is too small? If I say proceed despite the errors, that's 2 and 3 warnings there. Here's a 4th warning, confirm the design with errors, or I want to correct it. I highly suggest that you click I will correct it because the printer does not fix the designs. So you can click confirm design without errors, and here is like 6, 7, 8 different warnings to let you know that these designs have errors. They may not be accepted. They may not print. Confirm my designs anyway. You're moving forward acknowledging that. And so again, we print, you press. So just be aware that if you get those warnings, you are at risk for your files not printing as crisp or as nicely as you want. So the easiest way, as I said, is to just pop it into Canva, enlarge, and you're good to go.